Hey everyone, today I'm here to share with you guys my personal tips on how to make good sourdough bread. My number one tip for you guys is, first of all, to take good care of your starter. I can't stress this enough that the most important thing to get good results on your sourdough bread is your sourdough starter, because it all starts from there. Your sourdough starter determines the outcome of your bread. How much you're feeding it, how less you're feeding it, how acidic or sweet it is, it will reflect on your final bake. Tip number 2 would be patient. While baker's yeast is definitely faster, it doesn't really digest or break down the starches and the proteins in the bread. Compared to sourdough's slow ferment, which is definitely beneficial for digestibility and your gut health. Making bread with wild yeast takes time, and of course, most good things in life do. Choose the right ingredients. Flour, of course, is the most important ingredient in making bread. Make sure it's unbleached first of all, because wild yeast won't thrive on flour that's already bleached, and it has been stripped of natural enzymes and natural food that the bacteria needs. There are a lot of different flours: high protein, low protein, gluten-free. You have a lot of choices. So knowing these distinct characteristics in your flour is beneficial for the bread you're trying to achieve, either soft or crusty and rich, and so on. Have the basic equipment. Although having a fancy mixer would be nice, or a $200–250 Dutch oven that you've been eyeing, having the basic things for making bread is all you need. Our ancestors made hella good bread without these anyway, so why should you? So here are the items I recommend that are essential in producing good bread. Lastly, my tip would be to know your dough. Make mistakes and have fun. Regardless if you follow the recipe 100%, it doesn't always work. You won't always get it right. Baker's instinct comes from knowing their dough and looking at signs if it's ready or not, if there's something wrong, it needs more proofing. It comes from making mistakes. This baker instinct comes from making mistakes, learning from trials and triumphs and errors. You really do learn from them. And I think that makes you a great baker. And that's it. I hope you learned something from this video, and I hope you give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Bye!